Welcome back to Moonshine Performance. This 1953 Ford F-100 Oldsmobile powered. This is your father's Oldsmobile. I don't know why anybody want to put an Oldsmobile in a Ford, but this thing actually runs pretty good. It's a got 350 rocket Olds. Yeah, these Oldsmobile motors actually got pretty large size valves in them for a 350. That's probably why it runs so good. Problem was we had the motor mounts weren't fitting correctly. When they put the Oldsmobile motor in, I had to pretty much had to refit the motor and make new motor mount bolts because the motor mount bolts were too small. They were 3/8 diameter, and I ended up turning different motor mount bolts on the lathe to make it fit right. I thought it was a mount was messed up, but so you can see the motor mount bolt I turned on the lathe. But this is a pretty clean truck. This is mine. I'd make it my daily driver. It's got the no power steering. It's got the the knob on the wheel, and everything's. You put the aftermarket gauges in it. We're gonna fire it up and take it for a ride. Little ride, put a smile on your face. Except the little motor. Thing's so cool. Bone stock Oldsmobile. A lot of thing is about old trucks, they're usually so that it's so beat up. This has actually truck's actually pretty well preserved. Supposedly it came from an attorney, estate of an attorney, and these people picked it up and they put the Oldsmobile motor in it. I guess they were Oldsmobile people. So that it explains it. That's the original color right there, that green color. But it kind of explains why it really ain't really been used. You can tell it wasn't beat up like an old truck would be. It's really good shape. Got some patina on it, but that's what gives it character. I really don't want to give this thing back, but I got to. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.